2.
Okay, welcome back to your phonics lesson. Lesson number 7, guys. And then we're done with the basic sounds of the English language. Today, the last 6 sounds are all 2 letters making one sound. So, sounds are qua, ow, oi, you, ah. Okay, please do watch videos 1 through to 6 first, because you need them to studying this. We're going to do the same as every other lesson. We'll learn our 6 sounds with an action, and we'll read 20 or 30 words together, okay? Right, let's go. So, sound number 1 today is the sound of a duck. Quack, quack, quack. You know a duck? Quack, quack. Well, give your hand like a duck and say quack, quack, quack. It's Q-U, the sound is quack, quack. If you need to know, it's like k and woo mixed together. Quack, 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 quack. Okay, let's do some point and say reading. Quack, ick, quick, quick. Quack, ilt, quilt. Quilt, liquid, liquid, squid, squid, squid. Good work. Okay, sound number 2 today. Ow, ow, like pricking your fingers. Ow. On a needle. Ow, ow, ow. Qua, ow, ow. Okay? And the words cl, owd, cloud, cloud. Pr, owd, proud. Ow. Mouth. You see the soft th. Mouth. Out. Shout. Getting very good at this now. Okay, the next one. Oi, 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 oi. Like a sailor on the sea. Oi, oi, captain. Oi, oi. And it's O and I together to make oi. Yeah? Quack. Ow. Oi. Let's do some point and say work. Okay? Oil. Soil. Soil. Joint. 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 Point, point, point. Void. We're almost there, guys. You're doing really well. So, the next one. You. And we're pointing at you. You and you and you and you. It's not ooh, as in ooh, 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 ooh. It's you, like you. We're going to point. You and you and you and you. For example, you or fuel, fuel. At, stat, you, statue, statue. Owl, owl, value, value. Rescue, rescue, rescue. It's a bit hard, this one, but it's good. Like the word Tuesday, you, fuel, statue, value, rescue. Good. And the next one, like a mixer, like a mixer. You can mix. I do this one sometimes. like mixing a cake. Mixer or mixer. Okay? Verb. Verb. I might do this. I might do this. Verb. Letter. Don't forget, double sounds are one sound. Double letters are one sound. Letter. Winter. Runner. Verb, letter, winter, runner. And we're almost there, guys. Like if you have a sore throat and you go to the doctor and he says, say and I'm going to open my mouth, tilt my head back. Okay, one sound, So, j, ja, d, k, da, k, sh, k, shark, sk, f, scarf, ja, dark, shark, scarf. You got it, guys? All the sounds of the English alphabet now, all the sounds of the English language, not the alphabet. Let's go through very quickly, going from the top across, okay? S, a, t, I, k, e, r, d, g, o, l, f, b, a, g, o, I, e, o, z, w, ng, v, y, x, ch, sh, v, ow, I, you, ah. Well done, everybody. Good work. See you in the next video.